The Kawai CN29 digital piano is the perfect companion for musical enjoyment and expression. With Kawai's responsive Hammer 3 action and a sound system developed in partnership with Onkyo, the CN29 has the finest action and sound system in its class. Features like the sound of the renowned Shigeru Kawai SKEX concert grand piano, a total of 19 exceptional instrument sounds, a modern OLED graphic display, ivory touch key surfaces, and wireless Bluetooth MIDI add up to the CN29 delivering a superior piano experience for all players. The Kawai CN29, for the joy of playing.
Bring out your inner musician with the captivating Clavinova CSP. The Clavinova CSP combines the heart of a classic piano with the benefits of cutting-edge technology. With over a century of experience in handcrafting the finest acoustic pianos and an industry-leading position in digital audio technology, Yamaha developed the CSP with groundbreaking innovations. Use the Smart Pianist app with your Clavinova for convenient access to various features, such as selecting voices, performing with your own backup band, or even playing along with recordings from your favorite artists. Experience the unique sound of two of the most acclaimed concert grand pianos in the world, the Yamaha CFX and the Bosendorfer Imperial. The Clavinova lets you choose the perfect piano for the music you want to play. With a variety of amazing voices on your CSP, there is no limit to the music you can make. Explore stunningly detailed acoustic pianos, classic synthesizers, and vibrant strings. For decades, Clavinova digital pianos have enhanced the way people learn to play piano. Players of all ages and levels can enjoy playing from the very first time they sit down at the instrument. The Audio to Score feature generates easy-to-play piano arrangements of songs that you already have in your music library. For people who don't read music, exclusive Streamlights technology show you which keys to play and when to play them. Enjoy recording studio-quality audio that gets saved directly to your smart device for easy sharing with friends and family. Enjoy countless hours of learning, playing, and performing your favorite music with one of the most innovative digital pianos today.
Hi, I'm Mark Watson, and today I'd like to introduce you to the new Roland HP 700 series pianos, the Roland HP 702 and the HP 704. They have a beautiful European cabinet design with a small footprint so they don't take up too much room. I love the timeless and traditional design with a contemporary twist, so they look good in any home. Both models use Roland's supernatural technology to intricately recreate a true piano sound, rather than just having a sample. This unique process spans the entire sound of an acoustic piano, including the combination of notes played, their resonances, and the way in which the piano's many elements interact with each other. I love the way these pianos feel when I play them, as both the HP 702 and the HP 704 have a progressively weighted hammer action with fast key repetition, designed to satisfy the most demanding of pianists. What also is really cool is that via Bluetooth you can connect your smartphone or tablet so you can use apps or play along with your favourite music through the speakers of the piano. The HP 700 piano series are perfect for all level of player, from the beginner to the seasoned professional. The elegant design, the responsive keyboard, and the authentic piano sound makes this series of pianos the perfect piano for any home.
There are two models of Celviano digital piano to choose from, the AP270 and the AP470. This is the AP270 and it's ideal if you're looking for an instrument to begin to learn on. As you'd expect, there are 88 keys and they're fully weighted and touch sensitive, which is essential if you want to get the right finger technique as you progress. There are some useful extra features on here too, such as the ebony and ivory effect keys, which make this instrument ideal for even the most advanced music. We also have 3 pedals, just like you'd have on an acoustic grand piano. There are more features on this instrument than you might expect. For example, there are 2 different grand piano sounds to choose from, and this means that whatever style of music you like to play, you'll always find the right sound to suit your playing, be it classical music, jazz or pop. What's more, this instrument has one of the largest speaker systems of any entry-level digital piano, which means you'll always find the sound rich and expressive. With all new Celviano pianos, you can use iOS and Android devices for any music teaching or playing apps you might have. This includes Casio's Cordana Play Piano app. It's free and you can do a variety of different things with it. You can change the piano sound settings from your device. So for example, I can have a piano and string sound together. You can also view PDF music files. And I can also learn new pieces of music. So if you're looking for the best piano experience possible from some of the most natural sounding instruments available, please visit our website to find your local music retailer.